reports released last week tell us about the stark difference between our lives and the lives of the rich. One is Global Risk Report 2026. Brought to you by the World Economic Forum, this report highlights the risk facing the world. Basically, they ask various experts about short-term and long-term risk facing the world. So according to this, top risks for the next 2 years are geo-economic confrontation, misinformation and disinformation, and social polarization. Aren't they all related to economic inequality in the first place? मतलब इतनी असमानता है तभी तो इकोनॉमिक कन्फ्रंटेशन और पोलराइजेशन बढ़ रही है. How are these exactly threats to the rich, by the way? Because they can potentially mess with their trade and business. So all countries should totally work in this direction, right? Wrong. Because many right-wing governments across the world are actually benefiting from social polarization and things like misinformation and disinformation. A lot of that is actually their own making. And the rich, the corporate world, the business leader simply work with the governments to support and nourish these systems. They aren't going to solve problems that benefit them. Look at the top 3 risks for the next 10 years. Extreme weather conditions, biodiversity loss and ecosystem collapse, and critical changes to earth systems. All are climate related issues. So they should be totally worried about climate, right? Wrong. अभी तो ग्रीनलैंड को कॉन्कर करना है, मिनरल्स निकालने हैं, you know the drill. Actually, if you want to know what really are the concerns of the rich, you should look at the sessions at the World Economic Forum. Like there is one about food at the edge. Food and water are some of the resources they don't really have full control over so far. So think from the rich perspective. If they own all agriculture, they grow whatever they want, powder it, flavor it, sell it to you 10 times the cost. Dal, roti, sabji gayab, burger, Maggi sab in. Also with food and water in control, they have you dancing on their whims. There was another session called Can We Afford Longevity? Meaning why are people living longer? अब तो उनको रिटायरमेंट बेनिफिट देना पड़ेगा, ज़्यादा लोग बुढ़े हो रहे हैं, इनको कैसे मैनेज करेंगे? रिटायरमेंट एज बढ़ाएं या सस्ता राशन खिलाएं? Another interesting session was Beyond Earth, the Next Space Race. अगर ये लोग मंगल ग्रह पे पहुंच जाते हैं तो उसकी ओनरशिप किसकी होगी? अभी से ये डिसाइड हो रहा है. You are worried about Greenland, etc. The rich are already making plans about Mars. And you think these people will care about inflation, unemployment? Sorry, not possible. As a meme says, the world is a resort for 500 people and the rest of us are just employees. The second report I want to talk about is the World Inequality Report by Oxfam. Follow to know more about it.